got the dog in me. Oh! Out of my brain.
Coilovers place. They were fairly cheap. And the guy said, I got a few other parts and I'll come deliver everything for you. So he had tow arms, Nismo, nice, SPC camber arms, and Godspeed coilovers. So today, you know, the car looks nice and beautiful. Skipping all that, we're going straight to the coilovers. So I'm gonna get these coilovers blasted on. In, out, 30 minutes, in and out, beep, 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 beep. Probably not, maybe 40 minutes. So it is 7:10 right now. It'll be done by 8:10. Max these guys out and see how low they go. So let's get started.
Hey, dummy.
Yeah. Wait.
My phone. Okay. I see what you're doing.
He's dead.
Do you have a charger?
Let's roll. All right, here we go. 2 12 mils up top. See ya. Another one gone. Okay. Now we need this. This is so dead. Not good. Not good.
Not good. This is definitely cutting more time.
Big time. See you later.
Bonk.
Bonk.
See ya.
See you later. Take it off.
The collar?
No, I'm gonna keep it on for now.
That'll be fun.
Yeah, for now.
Okay.
We're going all the way. All
Yeah.
the way. As low as we can go. So they know we're not lying.
We're not lying. We're not crapping.
Okay. Here we go. Up, up, and away. Maybe I can fucking find the studs. You think I could drive a car like this?
Like what?
Like the way it sits. No taillights, no headlights, no bumper.
Helen, no.
You don't think so?
No.
Bad idea.
Yes.
Okay.
You get pulled over. Not even that.
Pulled over.
Pulled over. Somebody will smack into you, dummy.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, you could be like a cyclist and, you know, signal. This thing, this thing.
That thing, this thing, that thing over there, and this thing over there, and
Cheeseburger.
cheeseburger.
I need cheeseburger.
Okay. Cut the clips.
Cut the lip. And we could go up, up, up.
If you're doing your coilovers at home and you jack up one side at a time and you're struggling like a mother, it's because the sway bar end link's more than likely. It'll fight the side and won't let it droop fully. So I always do back first and then front first all together. Or if you want to do it all four on jack stands.
Was that a good sounding car? What was that noise?
A bird? See you later. $17 mil.
Mad signal.
Signal?
Mad signal. Holy, you look like the little kid from Incredibles.
Oh, yeah. That's pretty sweet. Top hat bolts and we're done. It might be too low, honestly.
Don't look like it. Ooh. It ate it. Oh, you dummy. Ooh, overexposed. Yeah.
Holy shit!
Holy shit.
We got 10 minutes to the front.
On the way.
Nope.
It's zip tied.
Good night.
Right.
Ooh, yeah, look at that. Probably just like start it up.
Ooh.
Good night.
And your hands underneath it.
Milwaukee died, and I need the Milwaukee. So we're on pause.
Mr. Andrew.
Done in an hour and 20 minutes. It's only been an hour, but we're pausing.
Hold, please.
Howdy. I lost my marbles.
Knock.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That thing is busted.
What's your coming?
Oh!
Oh, casualty. Shame the name.
This thing is heavier. Oh.
Time update is 9.
That's okay. Maybe start back up to what, 45?
Something.
Both the struts out, so now we gotta put the new ones in. They are maxed out. Don't know. I really don't know how low these are gonna go. In compression. It might go low enough. We'll see. We will see.
Nothing. It's like an old lady with candy.
I think it's supposed to be a cow.
Post.
Post.
Supposed to be. Oh.
How?
Pose go for me. I take a flick with your chick like pose for me. Ooh.
You like that song?
Supposed to be. I just remember. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So these Godspeeds have a locking collar for the actual brake line and the ABS line, which I've never seen before, but it holds it from going back and forth, so that's kind of cool. And these never are tightened from the factory, so I always tighten this one a little bit and then this one to lock that one, and then same with this. All right, we are all finished up. You can bolt these wheels on and lower this bad boy down. Ah, son of a bitch. We're done. Done. 9:35. Not too bad. When do we start?
8:30?
8:15.
8:15?
8:15. right? Or no, it was the 7:15. It was 7:15. We started at 7:15.
Oh yeah, there was
stopped for about an hour. Waited for Andrew. Andrew dropped off the parts, and we started back up at 8:45.
Yeah.
So it took an hour and 30 minutes.
Not bad.
Half no Milwaukee tools. Who the fuck put that?
Oh man, totally adding that in. I don't know what that was. I don't know.
All right, we got it all finished up, and this is maxed out all the way around. Unfortunately, I genuinely don't think this is gonna be low enough. The rear is probably maybe fine, but the front definitely needs to go lower, but it also could be hitting up top there. So once we get the shortened spindles, it'll probably bring this down a little bit, but honestly, this is not too bad at all. So thank you to Lauren and Andrew for the help. Andrew brought me a battery and Lauren sat and helped me. So we got the coilovers all on. They are maxed out all around. The colors are still on, so they could go a little bit lower, but we are gonna continue tearing this apart, get this pillar off, this rear trim and gas cap and other little things here and there. And I got some side skirts for it and whatnot. So this will be getting painted hopefully within the month. Huh?
He likes it. He likes it.
Huh? So thank you guys for watching this one, and stay tuned for the next one.